Hello mga Lods! Today's topic is how to create an AWS account if you don't have a credit card. But I think the bigger question is why you should create one. So napansin ko marami sa atin ni hindi man lang nag-try. Maybe because of fees, or maybe they don't have credit card, or maybe they just don't have enough reasons to do so. So need mo ba ng motivational reasons? Music please. Just like how we take advantage of that free taste sausage at the mall, we have to take advantage of what AWS free tier account can offer. It's basically free EC2 for 1 year, free S3, free database. You can even migrate your boring blog site if you know what to do with the platform. So this is perfect for IT students who wants to try their outsourced paid thesis, or for employee programmers na may mga side projects. In my case, I use it as a proxy server when the network admin doesn't want me to visit Facebook and YouTube during working hours. So if those reasons are not enough, then this video is clearly not for you. To start, aside from basic information requirements, you need to have some sort of digital wallet. I'm using PayMaya for this video, so just download, sign up, and get verified to access the digital card, which will then be used for signing up into our AWS account. So start na tayo. So first, go to Google and search for AWS free tier. Mabuti, mabilis-bilis yata internet natin. Then just create an account. And fill up the basic information. Email address, password, yada yada yada. Mali pa. So yung sa AWS account name should be unique. So this you can use, ipapaliwanag ko kung paano magagamit to once na makapag-sign up ka na. And then for this type, we're just going to use the personal, and then another phone number. So tayo sa, syempre Pinoy tayo, kailangan natin ilagay natin yung Pinas muna. Then the number, and the basic info, and address, and boring stuff. And then the next page would be, ayan, eto na, ang credit card. So paano natin didiskartehan to mga Lods? So yun nga, bubuksan natin yung PayMaya. So we'll go to our phone, and then go to the online cards and fill up the necessary information. Ayan, na-fill up na natin. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-apply pa ng credit card kung saan-saan. And then, of course, another number for verification. And yada yada. And then code verification. We'll go for the free, of course. We are cheap bastard. Then, we will try our sign in to the console. And we will use our credentials we set earlier. For this, you should do the root user. Kung di ka familiar muna, root user, and then yung email na pinang-sign up mo, check natin. Next, ayun, mo nakakapasok na tayo. So, ayan, yan ang AWS console. So, if you are not familiar, kahit ako na matagal nang gumagamit ng AWS, hindi pa lahat familiar sa lahat ng service ng AWS. So, just go to the search tab and go for the EC2. Kung saan ka lang familiar, dun ka lang mag-explore. So, tingnan natin kung sa EC2. Oops, ayan. Your service is signed up. We need to at least have 24 hours to fully activate. So, bukas, i-check natin kung makakalagin na tayo. Anyway, dapat pala kahit paano may mga at least 100 pesos yung yung PayMaya account mo. So AWS will impose initial charge of around 50 plus pesos. I think it's $1 compared to our money. So it's very cheap price to pay para ma-access mo yung kanilang mga services. So I'm not just sure if this is a form of payment or just a deposit.
24 hours later.
And we're back. Of course, kailangan natin isingit si Classical SpongeBob. 24 hours pero ilang araw ko na itong ine-edit. Hirap pala maging YouTuber. So, log in muna tayo. And if you still see this notification, try to check your email kung may mali sa registration mo or kung may mali or kaso yung account mo. Or just try to go to homepage and see what happens. And then click easy to sana meron na. Ayun, nakapasok na tayo mga lods. So, ito yung EC2. Click instances. As you see, wala pa akong instance. So, sa next video, gawa tayo ng on how to navigate around AWS. Explore natin in particular si EC2 kasi mas yun ang common na ginagamit. So, yun muna siguro for now and kita tayo sa next video.